Good afternoon, Prema from LG Electronics. Today's recipe we are making for the Varasmali Khichdi. So here for the ingredients I have taken here, this is for the onion, green chilies, curry leaves. So this is mustard, urad dal. So jeera also I have taken. This is for the little bit garam masala, salt to taste, 1 or 2 spoons of cooking oil. So this is for the Varasmali, and here I taken for the water. So in the first, so we can add this is the one. First for the Varasmali, you want to roast for the 2 minutes. Same you can use it in the microwave for the roasting purpose for 2 minutes. Okay, so for this I'll add for the 1 spoon of cooking oil. Here I taken for onion and green chili. See, for this only I'll add you for the all the ingredients. Okay, this we can mix well. You can take any micro safe bowl for this. Okay, so now I can use here. So this is a auto cooking menu. It will be given. So here you can select. It comes to the Kids Delight. So Kids Delight, it will become number 2. I kept for the 100 grams. Then I start. It's take for the 15 minutes time. See, now it comes to the beef. So once the beef will become, see, we can open. You can see here. You can see here. It will be nicely roasted on this. So for this, okay. So for this, I can add this is 1:2 or 1:3. You can add the water. So mix well. This you can add salt to taste. So for the tasty purpose, I am adding for little bit garam masala for this. This we can mix well. This we can keep inside. Close the door. You start the time. It will be go for the continuation for the timing on this. Mom, this is a one we are making for the recipes. Any recipes you want to make, you can use it for your manual. So manual, this is the second one I am using for the auto cooking menu. It will be given the child favorite. Okay, similar recipes you want to make it in the any recipes you want to make it in the microwave, which it will be given an auto cook menu. You can follow the procedure and then you can do it on the same. In the last 20 seconds. In 20 seconds, so your vermicelli uppit is ready. Okay, so it's ready. You can see here. See. So this. Okay, so it's ready. Okay, thank you.